Good morning students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. In previous video we have finished exercise number 3.2. We have finished. If there is any problem you did not ask anything, if you want to ask you may reply via comment. I'll see and I'll reply for the same. And today we are going to learn exercise number 3.3, question number 1, 2, and if it will be possible in the limited time we will try to do third also. As we have already learned binomial by binomial multiplication, how to multiply binomial by binomial. An example I am taking, suppose A plus B multiply by C plus D. Just example I am taking, A plus B multiply by C plus D. How to multiply? This A will be multiplied both of them, then after that B will be multiplied by both of them. Okay, so how to multiply? This will be equal to A multiply by this C plus D. One time this A will be multiplied to whole, then plus B is there, plus or minus whatever, just take as it is. This will be multiplied by C plus D second time. Okay, now the same method what we have done in previous, A multiply by C, AC, plus A multiply by D, AD. Now plus B multiply by C, BC, and B multiply by D is BD. This is simple binomial by binomial multiplication. Okay, so let's start some questions related to the same. Okay, question number 1 I am going to do first of all, and the question is multiply the following. This is only given, multiply the following. The first question I will do first, and after that we will take last two questions. Okay, sign you will have to keep in your mind how to solve signs. So signs also we will do. So first of all, A. In question number A, what is given? X minus 5 and 2x plus 3 in bracket. X minus 5, 2x plus 3. This one is given. Okay, now we have to multiply. This is binomial, two terms are there. Binomial, two terms are there. How to multiply? One by one. See, this will be equal to, this x will be multiplied to this whole. Okay, here product sign is there. It is not given, means we have to multiply. So now this x will be multiplied to this whole 2x plus 3. And now this minus 5, see, keep it here minus sign because this is negative. Minus 5 will be multiplied to 2x plus 3, right? We have to multiply. So now this will be equal to, now this x will be multiplied to both of them by distributive property, right? By distributive property. Can you multiply? X multiplied by 2x is equal to 2x square. X, days are same, so power will be added, x square plus x multiplied by 3 will be equal to 3x. Correct? And here this minus sign will be multiplied by plus. 5 2 jar 10 and minus 10 will come, minus 10x. Correct? 1x is there. Minus 5 multiplied by plus 3. 5 3 jar 15, but negative sign. 5 3 jar 15 with minus sign. Till here, okay? So now come to the next step. 2x square, is there any like term here? No, just write it as it is. Okay? Plus here 3x, this is 10x. Having same variable and same power, means these are like term. And whenever like terms are there, we can add them or subtract them. So see here, this plus sign I have taken, but see, this is plus 3, this is minus 10. Who is greater? This 10 is greater, na? So we have to subtract. So what we will do here? We will take minus 3 minus 10 equal 7 and x as it is, right? And then after that minus 15, right here. So after that there is nothing left in this one. We cannot solve more. So this is only the solution. You may write here answer. Got it? This was your question number A. The rest second part I'll do here. That is B. थोड़ा सा ध्यान से देखेंगे. Now B I'm not taking. In lieu of B, I will take question number E. B, C, D you can do by the same method. E I will take here now. E. In this one, fractions are given. Okay? So fraction we will do. 3a upon 4. First of all, 3a upon 4. Then minus 2b upon 3. Bracket close. And after that, in this side, one more bracket. Here 3a upon 4, 3a upon 4, and after that plus 2b upon 3. ये है आपका. Okay. Now after that, same method, we will multiply them one by one. Okay. So first of all, this 3a upon 4 will be multiplied to both of them. So this will be equal to 3a upon 4 multiply by this 3a upon 4 plus 2b upon 3. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया होगा? Yes. Then plus sign this minus 2b, plus नहीं है minus है ना, minus 2b upon 3 multiply by same again 3a upon 4 plus 2b upon 3. ये समझ में आ गया होगा? This multiply to this whole and this multiply by this whole. Right? Now see, this will be multiplied by 1 and 2 separately. Right? So this will be equal to 3a divided by 4 multiply by 3a divided by 4. इससे हुआ? After that the next is this one. Then plus sign, this plus sign. This is 3a upon 4 and multiply by 2b upon 3. Okay? After that, this side. Minus sign is there. Minus 2b upon 3 multiply by 3a upon 4. This multiply by this one and this is also left. So I will do here this part. This minus 2b upon 3 multiply by 2b upon 3. Got it? यहाँ तक क्लियर हो गया होगा सबको, है ना? अब देखो next. This will be equal to, I write here 3a multiply by, देखो numerator will be multiplied by numerator and denominator will be multiplied by denominator. So see here, like term we will multiply 3 3 ja, this is 9. A multiply by a is equal to a square, right? 4 4 ja 16. ये clear है? Then plus sign, this plus sign. 3a and 2b. 3 multiply by 3 2 ja 6. A multiply by b. A into b is equal to ab upon 4 3 ja 12. Correct? Here minus what will come? 2 multiply by 3, 2 3 ja 6 and a multiply by b, ab, and here 3 4 ja 12, right? And the next is last, this one I am writing minus sign, 2 2 ja 4, b multiply by b, b square upon what will come? 3 3 ja 9. In this step, just see here, 6ab upon 12, 6ab upon 12, both are like term and having different sign, plus and minus. You know, 5 minus 5 equals 0, a minus a equals 0. So same term minus same term, it will be equal to 0. So finally this will be equal to, from here what is left? 9a square upon 16 and then minus sign 4b square, 4b square upon 9. Hope you understand, right? This is the solution, and like this only you will solve such type of problem. Okay, so let's take now next question. Now we will take question number F. So let me erase this one, then we will start. So question number IF I have written here, that is 0.2a minus 0.3b, 0.2a plus 0.3b, and we have to multiply these both binomial to each other. Okay, so let's multiply now. This will be equal to, first of all, this will be multiplied to whole this. Okay, so this will be 0.2a multiplied by whole 0.2a plus 0.3b. Correct? Now rest part is this one will be multiplied, minus 0.3b will be multiplied by this whole, and that is 0.2a plus 0.3b. Correct? Now we will multiply. How to multiply? See, this again multiply by them separately, and this will be here separately. Okay, so how? 0.2a multiply by 0.2a, correct, plus 0.2a multiply by 0.3b, this one. Okay, then minus sign 0.3b multiply by 0.2a, समझ में आ गया होगा, plus not plus, minus, this minus will be multiplied to both of them, this one and this one, so minus 0.3b multiply by 0.3b. Correct? This is the multiplication, one by this and this, then this by this and this. Here both are positive, here because of this both are negative. करेक्ट? ये था आपका क्वेश्चन यहाँ तक. अब देखो आगे, यहाँ से हम जहाँ से देखेंगे बीच में देखो 0.2a 0.3b इन प्रोडक्ट, 0.2a 0.3b इन प्रोडक्ट. देखो दोनों सेम है ना. करेक्ट? वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस, so both are same, one is positive, one is negative, they will be cancelled to each other or not? Is it? Both are same. When we will solve, 2 3 6 will come, whatever will come they will be cancelled to each other. Okay, so what is left now? This will be equal to 0.2 0.2 multiply 2 2 ja 4, 4 will come, decimal after 2 place 1 and 2. Alright, we will like this, we are multiplying na? 0.2 multiply by 2 2 ja 4 and 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 like this. Okay, this will be equal to 0.04. Got it? Now a multiply by a is equal to a square. Same, this cancel left, minus what is left? 0.3 0.3, 3 3 ja 9 and decimal after 2 place 0.09. b multiply by b equal b square. This is the way to solve. समझ में आ गया होगा? This will be 0.04 a square, 0.09 b square. Okay, this was the question number 1. Okay, now we will take question number 2. I'm just erasing this one, then we will take next one. Okay, now see here, I have written here first question of second one, that is find the product 5x plus 2y minus z and 4a plus 3, right? 4x minus 3. This one is given. So this one we have to multiply the same method. I told you in last question, the same method you will follow. This 5x will be multiplied by both them, then 2y will be multiplied by this whole, then z also will be multiplied by this whole. One by one we will multiply. Okay, see carefully. Was it? First one is 5x multiplied by this 4x minus 3. Correct? Then this plus 2y. ध्यान से देखना इसको. Plus 2y will be multiplied by this 4x minus 3. Now left minus z. This minus z will be multiplied by this is 4x minus 3. समझ में आ गया होगा? सिंपल है. अब उसके आगे क्या करना है? नेक्स्ट 1 by 1 इक्वल 5 multiply by 4, 5 4 जा 20, x multiply by x equal x square. right? Now 5 will be multiplied by minus 3 also. 5 3 ja 15. Minus sign will come because one is plus and one is minus. So plus minus minus. Okay. So 5 3 ja 15 and x is there, just take as it is. Okay. Now this plus 2y will be multiplied plus 2 4 ja 8 x into y xy, right? 2 3 ja 6 but plus minus minus sign. 2 3 ja 6 and this will be y, correct? So next will be equal to minus z multiplied by 4x, so minus 4xz, and this minus multiply by minus will become plus, z multiply by 3 is equal to 3z. यहाँ तक समझ में आ गया होगा सबको? नेक्स्ट देखो, will be equal to 20x square. Is there any like term? No. So just write as it is, 20x square. Okay. Okay. This is x. Is there any other like term in this one? No. Write as it is. This will be 15. देखो इसमें कोई like term दिख रही है क्या? वैसे देख लो. 15x, xy, y, xz, z. बस आप इसको सीक्वेंस में लिख सकते हो और इसमें कुछ नहीं करना है ना? 20x square है ना? After that you can take plus 8xy, this one, then minus xz, 4xz, and here what is left? Minus 15x, then here minus 6y, and then plus 3z. Okay, so here 1 2 3 4 5 6 come. I have just changed this order, and we can change order by commutative property. So this is also correct, this one, and this is also absolutely correct. Okay, this much you will do, that is correct only, right? Now we will take one more last question from the same question number E. So first of all I would like to write that question and then we will do. So here I have written this question number E also. See, last question we have multiplied this one by this whole, this one by this whole, this one by this whole. We can take it reverse also. We can multiply by this also this. Yeah, right? According to commutative property, 5 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 5. Same, right? Is there any difference in this one? No difference. So can we write here? So step will less. This will be equal to, can we write 1 minus a multiply by this a square b minus b square a plus 1. I did nothing in this one. I have just changed the order. This one I have taken in this and this one is in right hand side. Okay, let me check one question first. 1 minus a multiply by, yes. So let's do now. This 1 will be multiplied to whole, right? 1 multiply by this a square b minus b square a and plus 1. This 1 will be multiplied to whole. Then after that this minus a also will be multiplied by this whole. That is a square b minus b square a and plus 1. So now we are multiplying this one also by. Now this will be equal to this, when we will multiply by a to all, sorry 1 to all. तो 1 से multiply करेंगे same आएगा ना. This is identity, right? Identity है ना, multiplicative identity. So here क्या करेंगे? इसको इससे multiply करेंगे तो same आएगा. So 1 multiply by this one is equal to a square b minus b square a plus 1, and then minus sign will be multiply. देखो minus a multiply by a cube, a and b as it is, plus minus minus sign, minus minus plus a multiply by b square. देखो a कितना हो जाएगा? A square and this is b square. A multiply minus plus minus, a multiply by 1 is equal to a only. Now here what is left? The second thing is, next thing is, यार देखो लाइक टर्म है क्या, a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर a प्लस 1 a क्यूब b स्क्वायर माइनस a, कुछ भी लाइक टर्म नहीं है. Only we can arrange the same into descending order. How to arrange? First of all, see high power. This is a cube b, high power. माइनस के साथ आप ये लिखो मत लिखो जरूरी नहीं है. After that सबसे पहले ये लिख लेना ना, इसमें पावर 4 है, इसमें भी 4 ही है. ये देखो a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर माइनस a क्यूब b, then after that plus a square b, then minus b square a. This and this I have written here. Left minus a and plus 1. These all are same. Correct? These both are correct. There is no difference at all. You can use any one out of these two. Okay? So this much is enough today. Think. In next time we will do rest 2 questions. Thank you. Have a nice day and be ready for your half yearly exam. Thank you.